Hey guys, Chris here for GQ37, and this is Project 350Z. I recently picked up an enthusiast model 2006 Rev-Up 6-speed manual Z in very hurt condition. It's been neglected, it needs a lot. Mainly on the outside, but I'm going to be starting on the inside, moving outward, and yeah, I'll address that bumper as well. Really excited about this project. I'll be doing some videos and showing what I'm doing as I do it in hopes that it's helpful to somebody out there that's restoring or fixing some issues in their Z as well. So buckle up and join me for some more videos starting right now. Find the best access point. There we go. Pop that up. And then that small screwdriver, just going to push in and pull that one out. Same thing on this side over here. There we go. There's that. Now for painting this, I'm going to have to take these out. These are actually kind of a pain. It helps to have like 4 plastic trim remover tools and working them out, because you'll get one side out and you start working on the other side, and then this side tries to snap back in. So that's kind of a pain. I'll take those out in a little bit, but that's what it is. You've got 4 of these little release clips you have to gently pry out because they're very brittle. They will break very easily. Alright guys, so got the plastic panel out for the window switches and whatnot. This is the driver's side. So you see I've got to sand it. I'm about to do that. I'm not going to show that too much on camera. It's pretty tedious. But one thing I did want to point out, a lot of people think that it's gray plastic. Let me get in better lighting so you can see this. A lot of people think it's gray plastic and that they just alright, so a lot of people think it's gray plastic and they painted over it with this rubbery Plasti Dip stuff. The gray is actually the primer. I'm kind of heavy-handed when I sand, but when I was sanding, I noticed that underneath the gray is black plastic. If it'll focus. See, that gray comes right off. So this is the passenger side. So what Nissan did, in all their infinite wisdom, is they took black ABS plastic. What made me realize it at first, I'm like, the inside is black. So why didn't they just leave it black? Of course, I've scuffed mine up pretty good so that the paint will adhere. But they took black plastic, primered it, and then painted it black. I don't know why. Just to show you, once you get it started, the black and that gray primer actually rubs off pretty easy. And you can see the black ABS plastic. It was kind of a satin, shiny black plastic, and I guess they just wanted to cover it with that rubber coating. I'm not really sure why Nissan did what they did, but they did. And now I'm having to do this because they did that. So anyway, just wanted to show you. I'm not gonna, this is very tedious. So we'll jump to the part where we're gonna paint now. Alright, they're all sanded down and alcohol down, wiped down, scuffed up and everything. Today I am using this Krylon Fusion all-in-one. Satin black. It's good for plastics and has good adhesion. So I'm gonna go ahead and start coating these. Alright, so here it is. Not too bad. You know, about 5-6 coats of paint and nice satin finish. Definitely better than it was. I went a little heavy with the sanding, and you can see that at certain angles, but it's worlds better than it was. If I get tired of this, I'll just wrap it at some point and take it back off to do that. But for now, I'm good with this. So I'm going to go ahead and put it back in the door. Go. Put our door handle back on. make sure you put this in the correct way too. If you have trouble getting this back in, it may be that you have it upside down. It's rounded a little bit at the top, and that's how you know it's the top. All right, there it is, back in. This is a little rough, and I gotta clean up some of these scuffs and things like that. But the door trim looks worlds better than it did. Oh yeah, got that tuck in the bottom there. But there it is. Carbon fiber vinyl there. Eventually, I may do that here. I don't know, later on, we'll see. But for now, I'm done with this door, buddy. Yeah. All right, well, that's it for today. Hopefully that's helpful to somebody. Please click like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.